Hey guys, welcome to Learn with Rahul. So today we are going to discuss about important short question answers on Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats. So before I start, I have a request for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Your subscription will be a huge motivation for me. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the meaning of the poem Ode to a Nightingale? Answer. The Ode to a Nightingale is a regular ode. All 8 stanzas have 10 pentameter lines and a uniform rhyme scheme. Although the poem is regular in form, it leaves the impression of being a kind of rhapsody. Keats is allowing his thoughts and emotions free expression. Question number 2. How many stanzas are in Ode to a Nightingale? Answer. Ode to a Nightingale is written in 8 10-line stanzas. The first 7 and last 2 lines of each stanza are written in iambic pentameter. The 8th line of each stanza is written in trimeter, with only 3 accented syllables instead of 5. Question number 3. What does a nightingale represent? Answer. The nightingale has a long history with symbolic associations ranging from creativity, the muse, nature's purity, and in Western spiritual tradition, virtue and goodness. Coleridge and Wordsworth saw the nightingale more as an instance of natural poetic creation. The nightingale became a voice of nature. Number 4. What is the theme of Ode to a Nightingale? Answer. The main theme of Ode to a Nightingale is negative capability and its power to aid the speaker in his transcendence of mortal pain and grief. Negative capability was a term coined by Keats himself. Question number 5. How long does a nightingale sleep? Answer. The average lifespan of the nightingale is around 2 years. Although some nightingale individuals, particularly those nightingales in captivity, have been known to live for a far amount longer. Nightingales are named so because they frequently sing at night as well as during the day. Number 6. Where beauty cannot give her lustrous eyes. Answer. Neither beauty nor love can survive there for long. Beauty loses her glowing, lustrous eyes, probably when they become laden from depressed thoughts, or maybe just from old age. And new love cannot fawn pine over beauty's eyes once they have lost their luster. Number 7. How is Ode to a Nightingale romantic? Answer. In the Romantic movement, there was a large emphasis on the individual and contemplation of nature. Keats began composing Ode to a Nightingale in the spring of 1819, sitting under a palm tree while listening to a nightingale. In the last 2 stanzas, the speaker notes that the nightingale was not born for death. Number 8. Who is Bacchus in Ode to a Nightingale? Answer. Keats will use poetry instead of wine. Although his dull brain is handicapped without being stimulated by the alcohol his body keeps craving, but he manages to make it to the hiding place of the singing nightingale. Number 9. What does the nightingale symbolize in Ode to a Nightingale? Answer. The nightingale, for instance, is interpreted by many to be a symbol of Keats's poetic inspiration and satisfaction. In an attempt to accomplish his escape, Keats tries to enter the life of the nightingale. He uses the strong symbolic meaning of the nightingale and its world to escape from harsh reality. Number 10. When was Ode to a Nightingale published? Answer. Inspired by the bird's song, Keats composed the poem. It soon became one of his 1819 odes and was first published in Annals of the Fine Arts the following July.